Hello everyone. Our today topic is to calculate heat loss through a single pane window that is made of a glass material. So first of all, read this problem statement carefully and then you will perform the simulations with Solidworks. And in the last, we will compare the hand calculations as well as numerical simulations results or values of heat loss. So here we have a 0.8 meter high and 1.5 meter wide glass window with a thickness of 8 millimeter, and the thermal conductivity of the glass is 0.78. So main objective is to calculate the heat transfer rate through this glass window and the temperature of its inner surface for a day, while the room temperature is maintained at 20 degrees centigrade and while the temperature at outside the room is minus 10 degrees centigrade. You can take the heat transfer coefficient on the inner side as 10 watt per meter square as well as on outer side is 40 watt per meter squares. We will neglect the effects of radiation in these simulations. So our first step is to create a 3D model with 1.5 meter wide and 0.8 meter high. So open SolidWorks and change units to the meter kilogram seconds. After that, just draw a rectangle on the front plane. Draw a center rectangle. This is a center rectangle. So this length is 1.5 meter and this height is 0.8 meter. While the thickness is 0.008 millimeter. So exit from sketch now. Then make a simple extrude with the thickness 8 by 1000. We have created a simple glass window. Now it's time to simulation study. Just click on the simulation tab and create a new simulation study. Then select the thermal type from advanced simulations. You can give it a name to this study. Okay. Now it's time to assign the material. Just right click on the part and go to edit or apply material. And from the non-metals, you can see here are the non-metals materials. Select the glass. Ensure here the thermal conductivity of the glass is 0.74, but in the problem that is 0.78. Here is some difference. We will consider this difference, that is 0.75. Just apply, then close. So we will take this side as the room side and this side as the outer side. Now here we will apply the convection boundary conditions. Do you know the convection boundary conditions are that are 40 degrees centigrade, that is the outside, as well as the 40 watt per meter square is the heat transfer coefficient at outside, and minus 10 degrees centigrade. So just go again, right click on the thermal loads and select the convections. Select the this phase. Here select the 40 and change temperature, that is minus 10 degrees centigrade into Kelvin. That will be 263 Kelvin. Similarly, on the room side, the heat transfer coefficient is 10 while the room temperature is 20. Again, go to thermal loads and select the convection. Select this phase and enter the coefficient of convection, that is 10, and the room temperature, that is 20 degree. That means that is 293 Kelvin. So it's time to run your simulation study and wait until your solution complete. If you have any queries, you can ask in the comment sections. So just right click on the temperature plot, go to edit definitions and change the temperature into centigrade. So you can see that the temperature at the inner side is minus 2.2. Inner side of the wall or window is minus 2.2 degrees centigrade. You can use the probe in order to see the temperature at inner side of the glass window. That was our requirement. And other requirement was that what is the heat transfer or heat loss through this glass pane window. Just right click on the results and list heat power and select this phase, update. So heat loss is 265.35 watt. So this is the temperature drop. Temperature, that was the, we have minus 2.2 degrees centigrade on this wall, on this surface of the window, and this is the heat loss. So if we want to compare the results, go to the reference book, that is the Unisangel book, heat transfer through Unisangel book. Here you can see the heat loss. The rate of heat transfer through this window is 266, while from our simulations that is 265.35. that is very close to the hand calculations or numerical values. Similarly, you can see the temperature at the inner side of the window is minus 2.2 degrees centigrade. As you can see here, that is the temperature is minus 2.2 degrees centigrade. So I hope you enjoyed this simulation tutorials regarding thermal heat transfer analysis with Solidworks. Please make a subscriptions on this channel, and thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.